This is an excerpt from a conversation with Emil Jacobs, Yuan Lee, and Nathan Lewis, moderated by Andrew Revkin, brought to you by the Chemical Heritage Foundation's annual T.T. Chow Symposium.
Well, good morning. My question is, why did Solyndra go bankrupt when there seems to be a demand for solar energy?
So, anyone want to touch
I can
that?
do that.
Okay, Nate.
Solyndra went bankrupt for a good reason. They had a technology that they raised $1 billion of investment with because it looked like it was going to be cost competitive, maybe even cheaper than other technologies that were on the market at the time that they were building their factories. But it takes 2 or 3 years to build a big factory, and in the meantime, the cost of the competing solar panels made in China came down by a factor of 2. And so by the time Solyndra got up and running and making their different kind of cylindrical solar panels, they were more expensive than what you could buy as flat solar panels from China. And so they didn't have a market, and they went bankrupt because no one would buy what they were making. So that's not bad. If we're going to change, we have to take risk. If you're going to take risk, more often than not, you're going to fail, so that you pick the winners eventually are the ones that are the better products that the market then adopts as the best, cheapest one. There are going to be lots of solar companies that are going to fail because a few are going to make it big, in the same way that there are a lot of internet companies that fail, and every once in a while there's a Facebook or a Google. And you want the Facebook and the Googles, but the only way to get them is to get a lot of other ones going bankrupt. So, not bad that they went bankrupt in the big picture of innovation. It's bad that they went bankrupt from an investment viewpoint. But you've got to do some risk-taking if you're going to get a lot of change. And that, this isn't unusual.